Point number one, learn Shopify. Remember, whichever platform you are going to work on, whether it's freelancing, Fiverr, Upwork, you must learn that platform. How does it work? How do you optimize it? What are its policies? We usually start a business without understanding anything. Later, we find out there's a violation, our store is closed, it didn't rank, and hundreds of problems appear. So learning the platform properly is extremely important. Even if someone else designs the store for you, at least you should be able to manage it yourself. You can outsource later, but you must know what work you're giving to others and whether you can do it yourself, because if that person delays your work, your entire business will suffer. For him, you're just one client, but for you, it's your entire business. That's why first, learn the platform completely. Point number two, learn digital marketing and SEO. You created a store, whether it's drop shipping or e-commerce, but where will customers come from? Customers come only when you market your store, whether through SEO, organic, or paid marketing, ads. I recommend using both. Both give opportunities. If you run ads, don't just sit and rely on them. You must also do SEO so that long-term free traffic starts coming to your store. Point number three, niche selection, most important. If you choose the wrong niche, no matter what you do, your business will not work. Business follows one simple, powerful rule: supply and demand. If you choose a product with no market demand or too much supply and low demand, you won't get sales, especially if you're new and inexperienced. Avoid the shooting in the dark approach. Choose the right niche. Inside the Shopify course, niche selection is explained in great detail. Find a niche with low competition and high demand. Few sellers but many buyers. If you find such a niche, half your job is already done. Then whether through SEO or ads, your chances of getting sales become very high. Point number four, store optimization. You've built the store and added products, but when a customer opens it on mobile, the product image is on top and the price is buried below after lots of scrolling. This means your page is not mobile friendly. You will not get sales. On desktop, pop-ups appear, then forms asking for email, address, phone number, unnecessary data, but the actual product is still far below. The customer came to buy the product, but you distracted them with too many things. This is why store optimization is important. Your website must load fast. Your landing page must be mobile friendly. Most traffic comes from mobile. If not optimized, you'll lose 70 to 80% of your sales. Unless your product is a desktop-specific SaaS, then mobile optimization is less critical. But otherwise, mobile-friendly pages are a must. These small but crucial details are taught inside the Shopify course. Point number five, customer support. If you master this point, life becomes easy. The heart of every business is this customer. If you keep them happy, respond on time, deliver the product properly, ask for feedback, and improve your service, that one customer will bring you 10 to 30 more customers. Good service, happy customer, free marketing, organic growth. Issues can happen in every business. No one is perfect, but having a good support team who responds on time and solves issues makes your Shopify business successful. Point number six, reliable sourcing. If you're doing drop shipping, this is mandatory. You must find a good supplier. Your supplier must, one, offer better pricing, especially when you start getting bulk orders. Two, deliver the same product quality you promised on your website. Three, have the capacity to fulfill your daily order volume. If your store gets 20 orders a day, but the supplier can only produce 10, you will be in trouble. Your business reputation will suffer. So find a strong supplier. Point number seven, multiple suppliers. Never depend on a single supplier. Especially in drop shipping, you must have multiple suppliers. If one supplier delays, disappears, or faces an issue, your orders shouldn't get stuck. You should be able to fulfill them through another supplier. These last points: customer support, reliable supplier, and multiple suppliers are the backbone of good dropshipping businesses. Many dropshippers succeed mainly because they manage these three areas well, even if their marketing or store isn't perfect. Good customer support plus timely delivery plus backup suppliers equals winning formula. So these were the 7 important points you must follow to run a successful dropshipping business. And yes, for those asking about the Shopify course link, check the description and comment box. All the course links I mentioned are available there. Everything has been explained inside the course, and the fee is extremely reasonable. In fact, it has been made free for you. So learn it seriously. If you like the video, please share it with others so they can also start their e-commerce/dropshipping journey. I will see you in the next video.